Good day, my name is Ulmer Losentes from BIT1F FSMB. Today I'm going to tackle the informative speech about maintaining the safety in the kitchen as a FSM student. My introduction. Maintaining the safety in the kitchen as a food service management student or FSM student is one of the most important things that you need to learn as a food handler. Maintaining the safety in the kitchen is the basic skill that you need to learn before you become a food handler. Every workers inside the kitchen should know on how to maintain the safety in the kitchen. Who is the responsible of maintaining the safety in the kitchen? First of all, of course, the owner. Then the second one is manager. The third one is the food handlers and every workers inside the kitchen. These are the possible hazardous in the kitchen. Slippery floor, chemical hazard, lifting heavy equipments, burn hazard, electrical hazard, knife cuts, crowded workplace. First is slippery floor. The majority of accidents appear to be mostly preventable with most injuries resulting from liquid spills, wet or overly polished floors, and uneven surfaces. Next is chemical hazard. It is essential to understand the different use cases of certain types of chemicals and sanitizers and the dangers if not used correctly. Check with your supplier as to any limitations or handling hazards and ensure and place the chemicals away from the foods or ingredients. Next is lifting heavy equipment. According to the as on my research, according to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, 24% of all workplace injuries is because of lifting heavy equipments. Next is burn hazard. Burn hazards are an undeniable threat in the kitchen. Hot surfaces, direct flames, and working with hot oils, handling hot pots, pans, and trays all provide an opportunity to inflict serious injury. Next is electrical hazard. Electric shocks are a genuine hazard in commercial kitchens due to the number of appliances in use. Faulty equipment or wiring, improper use or exposure of the machine or its connectors to liquids, moistures, or heat can create a shock hazard. Next is knife cuts. Injuries to hands and fingers are most common in the commercial kitchens and occur during the food preparation process while cutting, slicing, and dicing vegetables and boning meat. Place the knife that child can't reach the knife. As you can see of the picture. The last, but not the least, crowded workplace. According to WorkSafe statistics, 8% of all workplace injuries result from hitting a stationary objects such as trolleys, equipment, fittings, and fixtures. Often, overcrowding in the workplace is to blame and increase the risk of spills, slips, and falls in the kitchen. Importance reminder. The owner of the business should educated on HACCP or hazard analysis and critical control point to analyze the process of maintaining the safety for her or his workers and beloved customers. And the manager and workers who is in charge in maintaining the safety should already accomplish the training of each ACCP or hazard analysis and critical control point. HCCP is very important knowledge for every food handlers and to those workers in in charge to maintain the safety. That's it. Thank you very much.